Now another HOT type of a question. Okay, nice question. Now we have to evaluate this part. It is sine inverse 5 by 13 cos x plus 12 by 13 sin x. Now outside is sine inverse, so we have to express this as a simplest form of a sine function. Okay, we have to express this part as a simplest form of a sine function. Okay, so let's check it. What we can do now? 5 upon 13 and 12 upon 13, this what it resembles? It resembles that suppose we are having a triangle with 5, 12 and 13. So directly something should go in your mind at 5 by 13 and 12 by 13 to this part. What we can write it? Now suppose this is theta. Now what I can do for this one? If I am changing this to theta with sine, so 5 by 13 becomes what? 5 by 13 is sine theta. 12 by 13 is what? 12 by 13 is cos theta. Okay, so looking all these things in a mind, now let's start it. So we will be writing now sine inverse. First of all, let me solve this part. Now what I mean? Sine inverse 5 by 13 cos x. I am just writing the question again. 12 by 13 sin x. Now not going for the triangle part. Now what I am doing? Be careful what I am writing. Okay. Now 5 by 13 is equal to r sin theta, and 12 by 13 is equal to r cos theta. Okay, moving with this step. Okay, so this becomes now what we are having. If we are squaring and adding this part, okay, squaring and adding, r square sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to, now I have right sided but I have written on the left part, r square sin square theta, r square cos square theta. So we can write it r square sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 5 by 13 whole square plus 12 by 13 whole square. Okay, simple steps. Now what we are getting? R square is equal to, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now what this becomes? 25 upon 169 plus 144 upon 169. This becomes 169 upon 169 and this becomes 1. So r is what? R is 1. Okay. So here r becomes 1. Now what is 5 by 13? Now when r is 1, we are having 5 by 13. 5 by 13 is equal to sin theta, and 12 by 13 is equal to cos theta. So we have to, for the board type of a questions, when it comes in the board exams, we have to go with some systematic steps. If you are doing this, but then write it in a proper manner. Let this be a theta. First of all, just mention that this is a theta and that these be the sides of a triangle, of a right angle triangle. Okay. So now our question becomes what? Now our question converts to sine inverse sin theta cos x plus cos theta sin x. This becomes for our question. Now what is the formula? What type of formula this is? Sin theta cos x plus cos theta sin x. This becomes sin x plus theta. This becomes sin x plus theta. Now this we are getting as sin inverse sin x plus theta, and using the definition sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta, so we are left with x plus theta. Now the thing is that variable in the question is theta. Okay, we are using angles as a x, not theta, as a x. So what should we write in place of this theta? Okay, now we are having, we got it, r sin theta. R sin theta is equal to 5 by 13. We are getting r cos theta what it is? 12 by 13. Now putting r is equal to 1, we are having tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Okay, we have put r is equal to 1. Now it means theta is what? Theta is equal to tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay, so that's why this question is considered as a HOT type of a question. Now finally what the answer is? We are having x plus, in place of theta we are going to write tan inverse 5 by 12. Okay, so this is the answer. This we have evaluated.